Hello, and welcome to another SPC installment in Waypoint Global's How Do I series. Today we will address the topic of how to export data from SPC. All exporting of data is done from the history area of SPC Examiner. The two main options you will have as export to options are CSV, comma-separated values, and Quality Analyst. An example of where you could use a CSV file is in Excel. In order to show how this works, I will use a live demo of our SPC product. I am logged onto SPC Examiner and I will access the Query tab within the History area. Using the Browse buttons, I will enter some search criteria in the Query tab and then click the Results button. The system will display all datasets that match my search query. I will pick a dataset that I want to export and then select Export. When the Data Aggregation Parameters screen appears, select the information you want to include in the export. For instance, if you would like the process, product, and location information included with the data that was collected, you would put a check mark in each of those boxes. When you name your export file at the end of the export process, you can choose any of the parameters listed as part of your naming convention. For example, if you want to name the export file using the product name, place a check mark in that box. At the end of the export wizard, the system will tell you what product was involved in the export. At that point, you can enter the name you would like to use for this file. When the Edit Export Configuration screen appears, choose which items you would like the system to use in the export. We will use the default selections for our example. Click OK. This will return us to the previous screen. The Save As dialog will appear and will have all of the system defaults as well as the product and process name. Save the document to wherever you wish and click Save. After the data has been exported, you can launch Windows Explorer and view your file. Open the file by double-clicking on it. In order to see some of the information, you may need to expand the column widths. As a side note, you are also able to bring in additional topics for use in searches. The Query tab has some additional topics to use for searches. You can find them by accessing the Query tab and click the Add Topic button. When the Select Export Server screen appears, you need to select the file type you want the data to be exported to upon completion of the export wizard. Clicking the drop-down allows you to see the list of available file types. For our example, we will choose to export all our data into an Excel file. Therefore, we will select Export to CSV file, and then we will click Finish. At this point, you would need to select which additional topics you would like to include in your search, and then click OK. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to export data in SPC. Thank you for joining us today. Please tune in to more of our How Do I series videos to learn more helpful tips and tricks about our products. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if you need to talk to a member of tech support, please use the information on the screen to reach us. We are available via email and phone Monday through Friday. We will help you with whatever you need.